Hi, I'm Dr. Tanya, and today I'm going to talk to you about Luxe Recovery. What is Luxe Recovery, Joe? Well, that's what I'm going to talk to you about. Now, this was originally made for my skin clinic, and it was aimed at people who have had the skin treatments like microneedling or dermabrasions. And the main idea of having this product introduced to the market was to hold the moisture, lock the moisture, and to protect the skin barrier. So now key ingredients of this particular cream would be the B5, aloe vera, you have the green tea and squalane. And those ingredients are perfect when you're thinking about barrier protection, when you're thinking about hydration, and when you're thinking about using or giving for people who have got sensitive skin, acne prone skin, it's best. For my personal use, how I love to use it is when I want to use a serum and I want to lock everything and I want to hold the moisture. Where after a long travel or my skin's dry and it's perfect for winter. So this holds the moisture. The B5 is the ideal example that I can give you that we have here. It attracts the water because it's a humectant. It holds the moisture. And this together with the other ingredients like squalane, which is a natural oil, together protects the barrier and creates this hydrated, plump skin that you're going to love.